Many believe that introverts struggle with client relationships because they aren't naturally outgoing. Nothing could be further from the truth. Introverts excel in building relationships due to inherent qualities. I'll get to that when we return. Hey there, it's me, Stefan Burchard, the Bowtie Coach. I record and post inspirational and useful business content here because I believe mindset matters most. Check back because I upload new content every other week. Welcome back, folks. Today, we're going to shatter some common misconceptions about introverts in the professional world. Contrary to popular belief, introverts possess unique traits that can lead to exceptionally strong and meaningful client relationships. For real. As the Bowtie Coach and the founder of LimitLESS Academy, I'm excited to share how you can leverage these traits to your advantage and take your clients and business interactions to new levels. First, let's start by addressing the elephant in the room. Many believe that introverts struggle with client relationships because they aren't naturally outgoing. Haha, nope. This couldn't be further from the truth. Introverts actually excel in building relationships due to our inherent qualities of deep listening, empathy, and thoughtfulness. First and foremost, introverts are exceptional listeners. In client interactions, being a good listener is crucial. I think it's number one. Clients want to feel heard, understood, and valued. Introverts naturally take the time to listen carefully and comprehend the nuances of what their clients are saying. This deep listening builds trust and rapport, laying the foundation for a strong relationship. Next is empathy. Introverts often display a high degree of empathy, allowing them to understand and relate to their clients' feelings and perspectives. This empathic approach creates a genuine connection, making clients feel comfortable and appreciated. When clients recognize that you truly understand their needs and concerns, they are more likely to maintain a long-term relationship with you. Another key strength for introverts is their ability to provide thoughtful and well-considered responses. Unlike the rapid-fire reactions that might come from more extroverted counterparts, introverts take the time to reflect before speaking. This results in insightful and meaningful interactions that resonate with clients. Your ability to think deeply before offering suggestions or solutions demonstrates a level of professionalism and dedication that clients highly value. Moreover, introverts often prefer meaningful one-on-one or small group interactions over large social settings. I know I do. This preference can be turned into an advantage in client relationships. By creating intimate and focused meetings, you can foster an environment where clients feel valued and prioritized. These settings also enable you to dive deeper into discussions, leading to richer and more impactful engagements. But it's not all about what happens in client meetings, aka face-to-face. Introverts are also excellent at building strong relationships behind the scenes. Through diligent follow-up, personalized communication, and consistent attention to client needs, introverts ensure that the relationship remains strong even outside the face-to-face interactions. This consistent and reliable behavior reinforces the client's trust and confidence in your professional relationship. Now, you might be wondering how you can leverage these introverted traits to build and maintain strong client relationships effectively. Well, I'd like to take a moment to introduce you to LimitLESS Ignite, a community dedicated to helping introverts identify and leverage their unique traits for professional success. LimitLESS Ignite offers a weekly live Q&A session, resources, support, and networking opportunities tailored to empower introverts in their careers. As part of LimitLESS Ignite, you'll have insider access to upcoming workshops and seminars that focus on honing your listening skills, enhancing your empathic approach, crafting thoughtful client communications. You'll also connect with a network of like-minded professionals in our cohort connection who understand your strengths and can offer collaborative opportunities to grow and thrive in your field. Remember, building strong client relationships as an introvert is not just a challenge, it's an opportunity. By embracing your natural listening abilities, empathic nature, and thoughtful communication style, you can forge exceptionally strong and lasting client connections. Introversion is not a barrier, but it's actually a powerful asset that, when understood and harnessed correctly, can lead to extraordinary professional achievements. I encourage you to explore LimitLESS Ignite and become a part of our community. The link is below in the notes. Together, we can unlock the full potential of your introverted strengths and elevate your client and business relationships to unparalleled levels. Keep fostering those connections, stay true to your introverted self, and watch your professional relationships flourish. Hey, please pass this on to a friend or family member who may be looking for that limitless future. Now, watch this awesome video about the birth of the Bowtie Coach. Bye. Share how you can leverage those traits to traits, allowing them to understand and relate to their clients. I don't even know if I've read this before. I think I scrubbed it. By embracing your natural listening. That's a really good CTA. But it's actually a LimitLESS Ignite. Drop Ignite in the